Folks, it's happening. We finally got a Dollar General clearance sale. I am so excited. It will be happening this Friday, the 7th through the 9th. That is Friday through Sunday of this coming week. I am stoked about this. Remember, this means that clearance merchandise is going to be 50% off the clearance price, and you can check those prices by using your Dollar General app on your phone to scan products so that you can see what stuff actually costs. But remember to do this only Friday through Sunday. The prices will not update until then. Don't forget that you can stack coupons on top of clearance prices to make for extra savings. This is where the deals get really, really good. But also you can add these products into your 5 off of 25 deals on Saturday. But just be aware that some of the better items, cleaning products, laundry products, things like that, will probably go Friday morning, especially if you live in an area that is heavy with couponers. If you need a refresher on how to shop a DG clearance sale, check out my playlist that has all my previous clearance sale hauls and tips and tricks. You'll definitely want to check that out, especially if you're a newbie to couponing or couponing at Dollar General. In this video, we are going to talk about what's included in the clearance sale this weekend, as well as any coupon matchups that I was able to find. So let's get started. My weekly Dollar General 5 off of 25 deals video will be out tomorrow, Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. And any of the items that we talk about in this video, you could also add into those 5 off 25 deals, swap something out if you wanted to. Just remember, like I said, some of the better stuff is gonna be gone on Friday. Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave me a thumbs up. Consider bopping that subscribe button because it helps support my channel, and I really, really appreciate all of your support. You can catch me live either Friday or Saturday of this week, I'm not sure yet, with my clearance haul, and I'll see you this weekend.